On the 21st of July 1861, the First Battle of Bull Run, the first major battle of the American Civil War, took place near Manassas in Virginia. Welcome to HistoryPod. Following the secession of southern states and the attack on Fort Sumter in April 1861, there was growing pressure in the North for a swift military response. Union troops, many of whom were inexperienced volunteers, were assembled and sent south towards the Confederate capital of Richmond under the command of Brigadier General Irvin McDowell. The Confederate Army, under Generals Joseph E. Johnston and P.G.T. Beauregard, concentrated its forces near Manassas Junction, around 25 miles from Washington, D.C. On the morning of the 21st of July, McDowell launched an attack on the Confederate left flank at Matthews Hill. After several hours of fighting, the Confederates withdrew to a defensive line near Henry House Hill, where reinforcements, led by General Thomas J. Jackson, held the position firmly. This led to him acquiring the nickname Stonewall, reportedly due to his men standing firm in the face of attack. As the day progressed, more Confederate reinforcements arrived in one of the first strategic uses of railways in warfare. Union troops, facing increasing resistance and mounting casualties, then began to retreat. This soon turned into a disorganized rout as Union soldiers and civilian onlookers fled towards Washington. Union casualties numbered around 2,900, while the Confederates suffered approximately 2,000. Despite their victory, the Confederate forces were too disorganized to pursue the retreating enemy effectively. The battle consequently demonstrated the lack of preparation on both sides and dispelled any remaining illusions that the conflict would be resolved quickly.